And what is up, all you YouTube viewers and fans? Tis I, and still yours truly, here on YouTube, Brand Murphy, as well as on Vimeo under Brand Murphy. And finally, folks, I am, or was, on twitch.tv forward slash LPBrand31 till I got, how I say this, I'm not temporarily banned. I'm not banned, just temporarily suspended for the next 30 days, which that will come around to February, hang on, either February 20th or February 27th. But anyways, remember them also, you folks want to at some point, some which, some way, somewhat, some when, and or somehow. And today, guys, in this here video, excuse me, 1 second. Alright, so in this here video I'm going to be discussing with you all today is mainly about, well, actually, 2 videos that I have seen and like to folks discuss about. And the first one I'd like to discuss about is SMG4's video called Mario Wants Subway, or Subway Sandwich, but with extra mayonnaise. And I only got one thing to say. Idiot! And I mean, I'm not kidding, folks. I've seen the video and I even reacted to it at the end of the video. I'm like, I'm just saying, why? Why, Mario? Would you even ask? Why would you ask for a Subway sandwich with with mayonnaise if it's too much? This is why, folks. Excuse me, I'm just tired, and I also, folks, just woke up earlier. So, anyways, point is, here in real life, when I make my tuna fish sandwiches, I don't overdo it. And I make my perfect, and we're talking about, folks, a finito, or I don't know how Italians say perfect in about their food and whatnot, but the point still stands, folks, that I make my tuna fish sandwiches with maybe a couple spoonfuls of mayonnaise, tuna fish sandwich can, or tuna fish cans, and just like I showed you folks on the last couple of videos about how these excuse me, damn it, fucking yawns, bro. Anyways, point is, when I make my sandwiches, guys, I make my sandwiches out of those tuna cans that I showed you folks on my several videos several days, maybe a month back, where I was discussing about how these angel dragons are not sharing and whatnot, which that I just thought I'd share that out with everybody and let them know that if you're gonna make tuna fish sandwich, get the chicken sea type of tuna cans and not the garbage ones, because the garbage ones suck. Trust me, they do. Alright, but anyways, so that's that I want to discuss about. And moral lesson of the video that I saw from SMG4's video, actually, on Mario wanting a Subway sandwich with extra mayonnaise is, don't go overboard. Alright? Plain, dumb, and simple. Mario, just don't overdo it, man. If you because again, in real life, I tend to make my tuna fish sandwiches with just a couple spoonfuls of mayonnaise, tuna fish. Excuse me. 1 second, damn it. As I was saying though, in real life, I tend to make my tuna fish sandwiches out of these chicken sea tuna cans. Mayonnaise, a spoonful of mayonnaise, kind of like that Mary Poppins song, spoonful of sugar. Would take the medicine. Um, and such. I also throw a little dark pepper, not the dark pepper of whatever Raven would say from Teen Titans Go, but just the dark pepper that you guys just sprinkle on top, well, none which. Um, and if I want to spice things up a bit, I throw some mustard in it, and it will be perfect. All right, but anyways, so next video I want to discuss about is Alex Spider. Sorry, if Alex Spider was watching this video and I butcher his name, I'm sorry. But I mean, then again, folks, I shouldn't be sorry because, how do I say this? And this brings me, folks, actually back, a year ago or maybe two, where I simply asked Barry Mitchells. You guys know that one, the guy that makes the Dawn of a New Hero videos and whatnot, which, yeah. Damn it, fucking yawns, dude. Anyways, back to what I was saying though. But yeah, as I was saying, so Barry Mitchell is the one that makes all these Dawn of a New Hero and whatnot, which I asked him nicely if he could make if my character that I presented to him as well as Leomaru, or as we used to, or what Barry Mitchell used to call Leomaru, um, the one and only Leab Draws or Leab Arts or whatever. Um, and here's the bottom line, folks, with people putting characters into their videos is that these are actually, folks, the words that Barry Mitchell said to me when I asked him nicely and kindly if he could put my Inkling or Splatoon character that I once again showed him and Leab Arts or Leab Draws or whatever. If they could put it in, and they're like, "Oh, we're gonna put your character. We can put your character in, all right. Your character just won't be able to speak because we kind of like to keep things short." Which I understand that, the only but I mean, folks, then again, I'm not happy about that because, how do I say this without being upset? I mean, I put so much work on my character. I put so much work on my character on my Wii U. I put so much work on my character that I now, folks, have a Switch that I, folks, happen to made, and you folks can even check that video out. It will still be on my YouTube channel. If you check, like maybe few decades, maybe by decades I mean like maybe 2 or 3 days back that I made it. You guys can understand that I now, folks, have a Switch, and All I ask is for my character from my Wii U or even from my Switch is to be part of this dawn of a new hero. Or in my case, that this video that I'm the seed from Alex Spider. Y'all know that one. He makes these animation shorts. And he also sometimes make videos that I've seen just now, which is God, I forgot what it's called. Give me a sec. I know that videos. Uh, hang on. Um, so the name of this video that I seen, folks, from Alex Spider is called, actually, folks, un momento. Like, give me 1 second. How fucking low that is. Oh god. I really need to stop yawning. I'm getting sick of it. And plus, I just woke up at 9:30 in the morning. And yet my body, my system is telling me, wait, we need to get more sleep, man. And all that stuff that is just killing me. Right now, it really is just killing me. But anywho, I mean, see, this is also the reason why I need a brand new PC or a brand new something, because now my Chromebook is acting up. Actually, bottom line, everything's acting up right now. Oh, because of AT&T not doing their fucking job. Thank you so much, by the way. And now I have to sadly do this waiting game that we all sadly got to fucking deal with. No jokes on it either. So hang on. Let me see what it's called, actually, folks. Give me 1 second. Damn it, stupid thing. Come on. Seriously. Please. Are you? Okay, it's gonna. No, it's acting like an asshole. I don't like it when it's being an asshole. So you know what? I'm gonna do this then. Ooh. Real cute. Oh, this is really cute.
Gather all around Wakanda, Chronopolis. But in Wakanda, you give us.
Don't need to hear or see that. And I mean, folks, I'm truly sorry. Right now, I really am. So you know what? We're gonna do this, Mike. Right now. Fuck this. Fuck everything. Cause honestly, this is getting ridiculous. It's even making me so mad that it's not even funny. It's not a laughing joke. It's driving me insane right now. So, yeah. Plus, I don't like being a patient little grasshopper. And wait. So, yeah. So, just gonna wait for Google on my computer to pull up everything. I mean, see, this is why I wish y'all could donate me money. Y'all can lend me a hand by me getting a better PC. Because I've had this sucker for 5 to 6 years. And now it's acting up. It's driving me nuts. It's driving me bad. And it's driving me insane! With this patience and waiting and so on and so forth, I can't deal with this. I truly, folks, can't. But that's not what this video is supposed to be, actually. It's about where I get to get mad, get angry, get frustrated, and even build this despair syndrome that I'm experiencing or seeing right now. No, this video is supposed to be about Mario wanting a Subway sandwich with mayonnaise. And we're talking about extra mayonnaise. Now, I mean, again, and I'm going to keep on saying this. Mario, limit your mayonnaise, bud. Like, again, once again, follow my lead. Just simply, Mario, follow my lead and narrow down the mayonnaise to a couple spoonfuls, where you can make your tuna fish sandwich with my personal favorite, chicken sea tuna fish. What else did I say? Oh yeah, dark pepper. And once again, not the pepper that Raven uses to cause everyone to burn their mouths, but just a sprinkle of dark pepper, and then throw some and then if you want to spice things up, Mario, just add mayonnaise. It's that good and better than it's better, it's good, and way whole lot better than adding or putting too much mayonnaise into your stupid sandwich. Bucko. Alright. Let's see what else, like I said. This video is supposed to also talk about Barry Mitchell's Liab Draws or Liab Maru. And even folks Alex Spider not accepting my character to be put in their videos. And not just a cameo, but also to use my voices or use any voice in particular from Left 4 Dead 2. Like, I don't care or mind if my voice is from if my character gets voices from Left 4 Dead or Heavy Whippin' Scoy from Team Fortress 2, because here's the thing. Okay, no, bottom line. On Team Fortress 2, speaking of which, and, when I make my character in Team Fortress 2, everyone always asks me what's my main, what's this, and what's that, and I tell them that my main character, it's me playing heavy, and this is supposed not a joke. I use my bear cosmetics and whatnot. I even make my heavy to look fancy. And how I say this, or as they say, that you sometimes got to dress to impress people, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Oh my fucking god, everything's just not working out today. It's making me mad. So, let's deal with this now. Okay, you're closed, or not closed, but just minimized. Open Google Chrome, and let's go. So I'm not gonna deal with this today, especially when I'm doing the best I can to calm myself down a peg and whatnot, which, because I won't have it. I simply, folks, won't have it or deal with this today. So, let's go to YouTube. Go to my history. Alright, here we go. So, the video is actually called Nintendo / Super Mario Bros. Ultimate, which they should have added also, which Alex Spire should also add like / Gmod / Ninjala / you know, one which, folks, you catch my drift, and so on and so forth. But anyways, the whole point of this video is they are not accepting my character to be in their video. And this, folks, actually just, how I say this, pisses me off so bad. I would like to scream. I really would like to scream right now. But I'm keeping my anger limit to minimum because I got, as you folks already know, I live in an apartment complex, or at a apartment complex, and I'm doing the best I can to keep these anger managements or frustrations at a minimum. So anyways, but that's what this video is about, right? And I only got, well, okay, I got a few things to say. If that is if Barry Mitchell's and Alex Spire don't add my character that I sent to Barry Mitchell's, that I sent to Liam Draws, and that I sent to, well, I would send it to Alex Spire, but sadly I can't be on Twitter anymore because they found out I was being a mean one, Mr. Grinch, and so on and so forth. That I'm like, you know what, Twitter, fuck you. Yeah. And I'm not kidding, folks, but I'm technically, folks, how I say, I'm not banned, I'm not even suspended. They just want me to add my cell phone number, so that they can keep my whole entire identity secured, which I don't want to put all that stuff anymore onto most websites, because folks, just last night I had an experience with AT&T, meaning this box that I'll show you right now. So this is the box right here. This is the box I'm using, folks, and as of right now, it made me so mad yesterday that I was almost about to blow my top. But I took a break, I took a breather, and now I'm cool. Everything's back to normal. But still, my point still stands that, yeah. All I'm asking is, and my character, Alex Spider and Barry Mitchell's and Liam Draws. Otherwise, now since I have a Switch, I'll be joining the Octolink forces. And speaking of Octolink forces, folks, that is the final thing I'm going to do after this video, is that I'm going to look up a group of people on Steam that is considerable in Octolink, and where we can take down these inkling bastards like Alex Spider, Barry Mitchell's, Liam Draws or Liam Maru, and so many others that I folks fucking hate. Alright, so there we go. Alright, but that's it for this video, and all I'm sharing with you folks today. One second. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so, but yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You folks know the drill. I mean, honestly and technically, if you guys want to subscribe, want more videos, um, if you guys want, if you guys want more videos, y'all know the drill. Subscribe my channel or don't, and act like astronaut, Lascivious, Lunarium Gaming, um, Oscasifux, and folks even or Pancake Legend, who are being a heartless, rude, vicious, cruel, and or mean people or persons who has hurted my feelings over the past, what, months, or weeks, or who knows, alright? And that goes same with, commenting my channel, and, as well as folks hitting that like or hitting me with that don't like button and you know make me upset or be heartless, rude, cruel, vicious, and mean person or people like, again I quote myself, astronaut, the Sirius Lunarium Gaming Oscillophox and or Pancake Legend, folks. And as always, I am yours truly, Brian Murphy, here on YouTube, as well as folks, Brian Murphy from on Vimeo, as well as folks, you all know me from, and of course, yours truly, or was folks, yours truly, Brian, LP Brand 31 from Twitch.tv. Remember them all, so you folks will have to at some point, some which, some way, somewhat, some when, and or somehow. Just saying to you all, goodbye, visit, fatwa, sayonara, stay clean, um, stay clean, stay healthy, eat good, bad, and our junk food, stay indoors if you folks have to, unless you folks are going shopping, then I advise you all wear masks so that you don't get in trouble by any store associate wherever you folks go. And as always, folks, for your singing their song, keep it simple. Okiki. Bye.